to add a subscription button on your website so that your visitors can sign up for your newsletter. Then you search for Convertful on your web browser and click enter. This is the Convertful website. Click Convertful. Simply click try free. You can see they have different plans: the free plans, blogger plan, growth plan, and agency plan. We are going to create a free account. Click get started button. To create an account, enter your email address. Yes, click create free account button. Verification code. Now let's check our email address. Now click here, copy it, and let's go to the website and paste it there. Come here like this, paste the code here. Click verify to create an account. Username, the password, click continue button. Here you enter your domain name. You select your platform and select WordPress. Okay. Select the category of your site. Then click add the site button. Now we are going to the another step, which is we are going to install plugin on your WordPress website. Let's go there now. Now log into your WordPress admin panel and click plugin. Then click add new. Search for Convertful. Click install now. Click activate button. Click connect to Convertful. Click approve button. Now click create widget. Now they ask you to choose the template to create your widget from. Yes, for e-commerce, for blog and magazine, pop-ups. You are going to select pop-ups. There are many templates here that you can choose from. Let's select this one by clicking create pop-up button. As you can see, this is how it looks like. You can click here to change all this text, all this information. For example, you can say join our company. our company. Subscribe today and get the yes.
Maybe I check. Maybe I should answer now. My message will enter.
After doing everything, then you click Save Changes button. Then come back here and click the status and click this, turn it on. It is active now. If you turn it off, you have deactivated it, but if you turn it on, you have activated it. That is how that works. Okay, as you can see, this is the pop-up button. Pop-ups while we were visiting this website. If I use that here, you can be scrolling like this, but you can't click anything on the website until you enter your email address, your name first. Now click sign up button. Then you can continue. If you go back to your full website, click analytics. Now you can see this is analytics, 2 site page views, new leads, email address. This is our email address that we just entered, and this is the date. This form has helped you know how you can collect email address from your users. Let's continue to show you how you can add this email address to your email list in order to be sending them email address. Because Convertful is a website, is a platform that only helps you to collect email address from your visitors. It doesn't allow you to send them newsletter. For us to do that, let's continue to the next step. And to create more widgets, like at the sidebar of your website, you click this widget, then you click create new widget button, and these are the types of widgets that you can choose from. This is the inline widget, the welcome screen widget. We are going to create this inline widget. Click. This is the content locking. And here is the simple. We are going to click create this one. This is how it's going to look. Click create inline. You can change this image by clicking on it. Then click change here. Click upload. Click select files. As you can note, the image was being changed. This is the test. Let's change the test. Can also change the color, everything according to your likeliness. After everything, you click this inactive button to change it to active. Then you click this cancel button icon. Now you have created a second widget. Let's create another widget again by clicking create widget. Search for welcome screen. Click create welcome screen to welcome your visitors. You can change this. After you have changed everything, you can change this background by clicking change here, and you upload the image from your computer to it. After everything, you check on this inactive button to change it to active. Then click here. Now let's go to our website to check it. Click refresh. You can see, welcome to our website, guys. This is the new phone that we have just created. Then if the user click sounds good, then they will enter their email address and they say, now welcome to the family. How to create email. This is how to receive email address from your visitors. Now let's go on to show you how you can send them email address in newsletters via their mailbox.